Hello everyone, welcome to Prestige Media. Today an episode of Khas Charcha. We are having Vishnu Prakash sir with us, who is an former ambassador of Canada and South Korea. Hello sir, welcome to our show.
Very happy to be at the show, Shreya, and nice to talk to you.
Oh, thank you sir, nice to meet you. Sir, how do you feeling coming in Prestige for the 14th International Conference?
Well, I am 63, but I'm feeling 36.
Oh.
And the sheer energy today that I saw around talking to young scholars, talking to the members of the faculty. And as I said in my talk, what I find amazing is that girls, women are leading from the front in at Prestige. And that is something that I feel very happy about. Congratulations for through you, I would like to convey to the faculty and the students for making Prestige what vibrant institution that it is.
Okay, sir, thank you. My next question is, as you have served 35 years as an Indian Foreign Service officer, so how was your experience?
Well, if I'm born again and again, I'll be an IFS officer again, yet again. It's a great experience. I'll tell you why. One, there is frankly no country like India. So to represent India, to fly in the Indian flag is a high. Till in the 80s, maybe India was not doing very well economically. 90s onwards, we started doing well economically also. We have, I think, the most diverse and the rich soft power in the world. I don't think any country has that kind of a cultural heritage that we have. We have to be proud of that. And secondly, although we have challenges, I'm not denying the challenges, we have huge challenges, but we have lots of things going for us. And whether it's economic, whether it's political, whether it's India's leadership, whether it's a soft power. So, as I said, it is a great opportunity it's a great privilege to represent India. And also in the foreign service, you get such a kind of a diverse exposure to people, culture, traditions, economies. It's no money can buy that.
Thank you, sir. As you also honored with the Ambassador of the Year award, so how memorable was the moment for you?
It is. It was quite memorable. I certainly felt very gratified, humbled, and proud. Asia Society is an important global organization. They're headquartered in New York, and they have one of the chapters in Korea. So it was they who did it, and that's why I mentioned that in my bio, because it's something
Yes.
that I am quite proud of.
Thank you, sir. And the last thing I want to know is, please tell us something about the journey or the struggle or the difficulties you faced.
Well, first is, and I am going to just talk of my experience. I come from a middle class background. When I joined, I had no godfather. Even today, I don't have any godfather. So first of all, I want to make it very clear that there are still certain streams where you don't need a godfather. And I was smitten by the huge world that it is, wanted to learn more, wanted to see more. And I guess it was a mix of luck, because civil services is very competitive, but also hard work. Hard work and luck both play a role. And I think I got lucky. And then once I joined the service, I found that there was so much that I did not know. I had not come from that kind of a background, rich background where you are
sir.
used to certain lifestyle. I learned, and even today, I'm not trying to be humble or wear a mask of false humility. I know I've done well in life, but you learn. So long as you are willing to learn, observe, imbibe, I think you're set. So it has been a great journey. I was very fortunate to have very good mentors, my seniors. I hated them, some of them at that time, because they made me work very hard. I'll give you an example. We were posted at Vladivostok. I don't know whether how many of you can identify Vladivostok on the map. And my ambassador was visiting from Moscow. We had meetings and dinner till 12 o'clock in the night. We finished off at 12. And when I was seeing him off, he said, Vishnu, there is no hurry. Let's meet tomorrow morning at 7 for breakfast. And please, you can bring your record of discussions at 7 o'clock. So the whole day we had meetings. He wanted, and this was 93. So it was pre-internet era.
Okay.
So I almost said, gee, what kind of a person he is,
Okay.
So one worked through the night to prepare a record of discussions and reached at 7 o'clock in the morning. But it prepared you. It prepared you to work hard because so again I come to that if there are two attributes that stand you in good stead is one is certainly hard work, there is no shortcuts. And second is the ability to observe and listen and imbibe.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. You are such an inspiring personality, and this is our pleasure to have you here.
Thank you, Shreya. God bless.
Thank you so much, sir. This is me, Shreya Khandilwal, signing off with camera person Anas.